Hi, Vineet. Good evening. See, the situation right now is that what had been weaponized by Iran all this while, which is the Strait of Hormuz, has now been weaponized by the American side. So, as Dhruv sir was saying, as Katul sir was saying, the problem right now with the Iranian side is that these oil wells have a capacity, and the Kharg Island specifically have a storage capacity limit, which Americans also very well know that the storage capacity limits is going to be approaching soon. And in that situation, this oil wells shutting down is an irreversible process. It's almost a near impossible process, Vineet, that if the oil wells shut down once, then to revive those oil wells is something which is an almost nearly impossible ask. So in that kind of a situation, now what Iran had been doing since the beginning of the war, which was weaponize the Strait of Hormuz to their advantage, to tilt the ropes in their favor in the negotiation, is exactly the same pill has now been served by the American side to the Iranian side. So by this blockade, they have effectively strangled their in and out, the ingress outgress out of the Strait of Hormuz, because of which the oil is not flowing. So here right now, this is the American negotiation team which has now decided, and Trump heading it, that we will be in indirect talks. With the Iranian side has maintained that we'll be in the indirect talks, but Caroline Levitt said that we are going to be in the direct talks. So as far as Pakistan's stance is there, see, day before yesterday, Iran also mentioned that they do not trust the Pakistan side at all. What the world had been saying for last so many days, that the sovereignty, autonomy, as well as neutrality of Iran is in of Pakistan is in question. Sorry. So that very statement came from the Iranian side as well, that we are not really sure of what role Pakistan is playing. But right now, Iran has been put in a situation where there is from fire into the frying pan, that they cannot really have that much of a bargaining power as long as the blockade is effective. But America also knows at the same time that boots on the ground is not an option anymore. Their air missiles and the defense system have been completely overshadowed, I would say, by the Shahed drones of Iranian side. So this negotiation and this entire process, which was going in the Iranian favor for the last so many days, America has tilted it in its favor now with this effective blockade. So now this is to be seen how quickly Iran will relent, what all will Iran relent to, which is where the talks will be heading. And in this game, the role of China is also going to be very important, Vineet, because China at the last moment, and the last phase one of the talks also, we saw that it came out as the last minute savior. So at this situation also, Chinese role cannot be overruled at this point in time. Over to you, Vineet.
You quite